What if you, as a small business owner, had a team of 20 people, all working together to try and bring you qualified referrals? Would that help you to grow as a business? And what if you had a team at your fingertips that would allow you to offer large clients a turnkey solution? Would that make the difference between landing large contracts or losing them to larger companies? This is what NWP is all about. So let me briefly explain how all of this works and what benefits you can gain from being a member. To begin with, as a member of NWP, you will be joining what we call bubbles. These bubbles are groups of entrepreneurs, small businesses or freelancers who have a vested interest in each other's business and their business growth. Why did we decide to call the groups bubbles? We went looking for a collective noun for a group of entrepreneurs, and to our surprise, we found there isn't one. However, people seem to be leaning towards either a fad or a bubble of entrepreneurs. Now, although we are serious business people, we also like to encourage fun. And so the networking bubble was born. What this means is that you will be able to join a local bubble and create or join team bubbles. A local bubble is a group of small business people from varied professions who get together in order to network and bring each other business. In your own local bubble, you may, for instance, have 20 members, and all of these members are from completely different fields. You may have Bob, who is an electrician, Jack, who is a plumber, and then there is Jane, who is an online marketer. Now you might be wondering how these three people can help each other and bring each other business and referrals. Let's look at an example. One day, Jane is having a meeting with one of her clients regarding their online marketing. Whilst at the office, the power goes out. The owner of the company, whom Jane is having a meeting with, sighs and grumbles and says, "We're having problems with our electricity." Jane asks him if they have a good electrician, and he replies they do have an electrician, but he doesn't seem to be able to fix the problem. She then tells him about Bob, who comes highly recommended and is extremely trusted. She can do this because she has a personal relationship with Bob within her local bubble. And because of the feedback the other people have been giving about Bob, she knows his work is very good. She can then refer Bob to the owner of this company. On the same day, Bob is at one of his clients' homes fixing some light fittings. The client raises the issue that they have some plumbing problems and asks if Bob is able to fix it. He says that he specializes in electrical work, but he knows somebody who is an excellent plumber named Jack. And so Bob calls Jack, explains the problem, and sets up an appointment for Jack to come and see the client. Jack, on the other hand, has been trying to boost his own business through social media, but isn't doing a great job, and has less and less time to take care of it. Because he has been an NWP member for a few months, and his business has grown because of all the referrals he's getting, he's able to afford to hire a professional. He can then speak to Jane, who can take care of his online marketing. Now, this scenario only takes into account 3 people within the bubble. Think what could happen when you have 20 or 30 people all networking and trying to help each other's business to grow through bringing them qualified referrals. Also, at NWP, we don't ask members to take a few hours out of their week to go to networking meetings, which can also often be quite boring. All meetings are done online and last only 40 minutes. This saves you, the business owner, a lot of time because you don't have to travel to and from a meeting, and the time limit forces everyone to get to the point of the meeting. You can chat within your bubble on the site and also contact people worldwide who may be able to help you with your business growth. Then we move on to team bubbles. This is similar but slightly different to the local bubbles. The team bubble is a group of people who all work within the same field. For this scenario, we're going to take Bob the electrician. One day he gets a new client, a rather large client, who has bought a new office block that is in need of serious repairs and renovations. Because Bob only does electrical work, he can't offer a turnkey solution, and because of this, the client decides to turn him down and goes looking for a company who can offer all of the services that they require. Now let's look at this from the perspective of being a member of NWP and belonging to a team bubble. Besides Bob belonging to a local bubble, he also belongs to a team bubble, which is made up of a bunch of people in the field of construction. So he has at his fingertips a plumber, a painter, a carpenter, and a building construction company. When this new client comes knocking on his door and asks for all of these services, Bob, who only does electrical work, can now offer his client a turnkey solution because he has a team that can do all of the services required. In effect, a team bubble is kind of like creating a large company that is made up of small businesses all working independently but able to offer turnkey solutions for their clients, which can often mean the difference between landing large contracts and losing them. I hope that through the previous scenarios you can see the benefits of using NWP as a networking platform. However, it doesn't just end there. Apart from the ability to network, to develop teams of people and small businesses, and to download the digital products for free, which the public have to pay for, so that you can get inspiration and good business advice, we are also looking at adding a project management system, a CRM and invoicing system, as well as a mobile app. At the end of the day, we want entrepreneurs, small business people and freelancers to be able to come onto a single platform and grow their businesses. This means that a small business will be able to network with people all over the world, create strong teams of trusted people who will be able to run projects through the project management system, and also handle your clients through the CRM and invoicing systems. We will be constantly looking to improve NWP to help more and more small businesses to grow. We have also created a business directory for the public, where anyone can come to the site and search through the members according to their profession and geographical location based on a radius from where they are. So if a visitor comes to the site and needs a real estate agent within a 20-kilometer radius of their home, they can simply input the parameters into the search and it will give them all of the members that meet those criteria. Once they click through to a members page, they can get a good idea of what the business offers from their intro video and also find all of their contact details. So I would like to invite you to become part of the new face of networking and small business growth, and to help us bring networking into the 21st century. This is the digital age, and it is on a digital platform where we will find the future of business.